Hello everyone, this is Pa Ginting. In this presentation, I'd like to talk about citation. Citations is a technique used to convince our readers of the ideas we have in our writing. Our readers become convinced of our arguments, opinions, and even suggestions because we receive support from authoritative sources. Speaking about how to make other people convinced reminds me of an event that happened in 2011. At that time, I was at Hong Kong airport in 2011. At that time, I was about to board a Delta flight to America. A security officer called me after even I've showed my boarding pass to the ticket officer at the ticket counter. This officer asked me with a slightly suspicious face why I was going to America, and then I answered these questions and provided some, like invitation documents from one of the universities in America to support my explanations to him. And you know what happened? Finally, he allowed me to proceed to the plane. So everyone, what I did to the officer is an example of citing information from a document. The officer was convinced of my explanations because of the document I've shown to him, and that was from a highly credible institution. So, what's come to your mind when you get questions like, what is citation? Citation is the act of referencing or acknowledging the sources of the information or ideas used in an academic work, such as an essay, research paper, or book. So citations basically aim to convince readers, convince others about our ideas. Everyone, actually, there are some types of citation, like APA, American Psychology Association in here, MLA, Chicago, and Harvard. Yeah. So in this case, in this presentation, I would be focusing on APA. Yeah. All right. APA is one of the style, and there are two kinds of citation. I'd like to call them in-text citation and out-text citation. So let me talk about this one by one. So what is it meant by in-text citation? So in-text citations actually used to indicate when you are citing a source within, okay? So within the body of your paper. And there are two kinds of in-text citation, and this one, parenthetical citations formats and narrative citation formats. Okay, so with the parenthetical citation, here you have some example. I give you one example there. Like the online learning poses some problems for students with accessibility issues. Okay, and then I put the parenthesis there, Smith, and then the year. This is the name of the author, and then the year. With the narrative one, you have a different way of citing, right? So you put the name of the author, okay, and you have the year. You put it there in the parentheses, okay. So it is called narrative because it's sort of the text, yeah, according to Smith. Next, let me move to the next one, yeah. And APA style that is dealing with out-text citation. So out-text citations also known as reference list citations, are used to provide complete bibliographic information for each source cited in your paper. So that the reference list is usually located at the end of the paper, providing the readers with necessary information to locate the original source. Right. So there are some examples, guys, I'd like to show you with the out-text citation. First, from the book. So with the book, you start with the name of the author, okay? The surname of the author. You must take a note here. Here, okay? The name of the author. But this, you start with the surname. The first and the middle name should be shortened. And then you put the year, and then the title of the work, and the publisher. And this is the example, okay? Smith, comma, J. Dot D, and then the year 2001, and the rise of modern society. Everybody, please pay attention to the title. You must be very careful with the typing. Yeah, so the initial letter should be capitalized, that is T, but you put the lowercase small letter with the rise, okay, of modern society. But with the name of the publisher, you put in the capital letter, Yale University Press. All right, with the journal article, you can take a look at this. You have author. If you have three authors, you treat them the same with the surname, author one, author two, author three, and a year of the publication, and the title of the articles, and the name of the journal, and the volume number. You must make them italic, yeah, and then the issue on the number and the page range, yeah. So in here you have Johnson's, comma R, dot, okay, and then Smith. Smith is a second author. Smith, comma J, dot D, dot, comma N, then Lee, comma K, and then the year. And this is the title, and then this is the name of the journal, put in the italic along with the volume, and then this is the page range. And next, we have sources from the website. You can look at the guidance, starting with the author, and then the year, month, day of the publications, title of the page, and the website, and URL. Here is the example. Okay? And be careful with this, the title, the capitalized, benefit in the lowercase letter, and mediation, yeah? Okay, put in the italic. Next, sometimes you have no authors in the website. So if you have no author in the website, guys, so you can put the title first. So like tips for staying healthy during cold and flu seasons, and then this is the date of the publication, and then this is the name of the website. Okay. Next, let me give you an example. Yeah. I give you a passage here. According to recent research, students who take handwritten notes during class are more likely to retain information than those who type their notes on laptop. Mueller, Oppenheimer, 2011. So the question is, what is the in-text citation? Okay, I have already given you the answers here. Yeah, so in-text would be Mueller and Oppenheimer, 2011, 2014. I mean. And next question would be, what is the out-text citation? Okay, so this is going to be the reference, right? All right, in here. Okay, so this is the answer for the out-text citation. Okay, guys, I hope my explanation would be useful for you and you find it informative. Yeah? Okay, thank you for watching.